members wish to make a comment? Councilman Galvan.
Thank you, Chair, and thank you, Veronica, for the presentation, all the staff work on this. Thank you for all the folks who have been involved in this process for years on out at this point. Really appreciative of the conversation we've been having around this, as well as the public comment given today. And I just, want to start off with, I think, the elephant in the room, right, overall with this whole thing is it's just a shame of how our country has served our veterans after they've served us, leaving folks to live on the streets, struggle to access healthcare here in our community, even within some of the VA hospitals, no shade to them, but just a matter of the process, right? Struggle to access education, retirement benefits, and many of the other struggles that our veterans face day in and day out, in particular with poverty here in our city. It's frustrating. It's something that's affected my life with my father. And our federal government has continued to stay lax on the issue, creating overcomplicated programs for not only veterans to go through, but also vulnerable folks in our community, folks with the least means to have to navigate through somehow to be able to access basic human rights, healthcare, housing, education, etc. And so whenever that happens, I think this council and prior councils as well have tried their best to intervene in some way and step in with a local solution that impacts our folks best possible by focusing, and this one's focused primarily on addressing the problems of a complicated voucher system, a broken social safety net, and continuous stalled federal government. All that being said, I'm supportive of this moving forward as staff recommended it, and grateful again to the chair for agendizing both of these items today in tandem, because again, I agree with what you mentioned, right? It's a holistic approach we have to take here, making sure that we're not leaving one out for the other. I think it makes sense to try to do our best. We already have good systems of communication ongoing and continuing on, and can continue to grow that system of communication. And also, make sure that we're connecting the folks to the programs that we're laying out here with the vouchers program itself, right? If there's someone who's not in compliance with this is hopefully approved, that they're able to still get that access to resources to join in to accept vouchers and not just get penalized the whole time. Also supportive of adding a veteran housing navigator within the military affairs department or within HSD, which everyone feels to be the better, have the better outcome there. And overall, I just think we just got to make sure we're preventing housing discrimination and making it easier to house people here in our city. Thank you so much, Chair.